Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator. This is 8 power 800 minus 8 power 801. Now, I have 8 to the power of 800 minus 8 to the power of this. I can express as 800 plus 1. So, a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying this right here, we have 8 power 800 minus 8 power 800 times 8 power 1. So from here, I'd factor out 8 power 800. This divides 8 power 800, I have 1 minus this divides 8000, 8 power 800, I have 8. So from here, we have 8 power 800 times 1 minus 8. We have negative 7. So, can express this as 8 power 800 times 7 times negative 1. Now, what we can do as well will be to consider this. If you have e to the power of I times pi plus 1 equals 0, that means e to the power of I times pi equals negative 1. Now, applying that here, that means we are simply going to have 8 power 800 times 7 times, this is e power I times pi. So from here, we can simply have it as 8 is 2 to the power of 3. And this is also raised to the power of 800 times 7 times e to the power of I times pi. And remember, if you have 8 power x to the power of y, is equals 8 power x times y. So we multiply this, that means we will simply have 2 power 3 times 800, that is 2400 times 7 times e power I times pi. That means our final answer, we can express it as 7 e power I times pi times 2 power 2400. We can leave it this way. Now, this is one way of leaving or getting our answer. We can also express it using this other way. 8 power 800 minus 8 power 801 is 8 power 800 minus 8 power 800 plus 1. Then we go back to the same identity. Power x plus y equals 8 power x times 8 power y. So this will be 8 power 800 minus 8 power 800 times 8 power 1. So from here, we factor out 8 power 800. These dividers, we have 1 minus. These dividers, we have 8. So from here, we have 8 power 800. 1 minus 8, we have negative 7. So from here, we have 8 power 800 times 7 times negative 1. So from here, we can make use of this. If you have square root of -1, this equals I. Then if you take the square root, or if you take the squares of the power of this, that means this square root cancels this square here. We have -1 equals I power 2. So this time around, we are going to replace this with I power 2. So what we are going to have will be, this is 8 power 800 times 7 times, instead of -1, we have I power 2. So from here, you will simply have 7 times I power 2, that is 7 I power 2 times 8 power 800, and 8 is 2 power 3. We have 7 times I power 2 times 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 800. Multiply this exponent. We have 7 times I power 2 times 2 power, this is 2400. This also is correct. So we have different variations of writing this answer. We have I power 2 here, while at this point here we have e times e power I times pi. So anyone you want to use, any variation is quite very okay. And you can as well leave it using the negative sign. This is how I mean it. This is how I mean. If you have 8 power 800 minus 8 power 801, you have 8 power 800 minus 8 power 800 plus 1. So this gives you 8 power 800 minus 8 power 800 times 8 power 1. Factoring out 8 power 800, this divide this, we have 1 minus this divide this, we have 8. So from here, we have 8 power 800 times this is -7. So from here, we have 8 power 800 times 7 times -1. Now what we can do would just be to express this. This is 2 power 3 power 800 times 7 times -1. So if you multiply this exponent, that will be 2 power 2400 times 7 times -1. So if you multiply this, we have -2 power 2400 times 7. This is also another variation of the answer, but if you want to eliminate this, you can either make use of this variation, or you make use of this particular variation, this other one here. So guys, that is it. That is it. Thank you and goodbye. Any of the solutions here, you can leave it anyway.